is Alyssa from Stitchonomy, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your punch needle. Embroidery made easy. For this video, it's important that you have an adjustable punch needle. Some punch needles, like the Oxford needle, are not adjustable, which means that you cannot change the loop size. So if you want to have a different loop size, you will have to buy another needle. And today I am showing you how to adjust 3 different kinds of punch needles. I love all 3 of these punch needles. One is not per se better than the other. They are just very different, and you can use them to create different kinds of punch needle embroidery. The first needle I'm going to show you is the wooden adjustable punch needle. Now I use this punch needle for bigger projects that require thicker wool. This needle comes with 1 needle, which means that it is only adjustable in loop size, not in thread size. Before starting, make sure that the metal piece is at the bottom or the blunt end of the needle, and the wooden piece is facing the pointy end of the needle. To adjust the loop size, twist the wooden handle until you can move it freely up and down the needle. Choose your position and twist until the spring clicks into place. The lower the wooden part is, the longer the loops will be. The second punch needle I'm going to show you is the 3-needle punch tool. It comes with 3 different needles, but my favorite is the medium needle that you can use with crochet yarn. This needle comes with 3 different needles, so you can both adjust the loop size and the thread size. To switch the needle, loosen the screw on the side of the needle. Stick the desired needle in with the blunt end. Choose your loop size by pushing it further down or up and tightening the screw. The third needle I'm going to show you is the Clover punch tool. Now I use this one to do really detailed punch work, and it actually mimics the look of embroidery. This tool comes with 1 needle, but you can purchase extra needles so you can adjust the loop size and the thread size. Twist the green handle to loosen up the tool. Insert the desired needle and hold into place while you twist the handle until it is firmly set. To change the loop size, push the needle further in or pull the needle further out before securing the handle. If you have any questions, please comment below or find me on Instagram at Stitchonomy. And if you found this video helpful, then please click the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. This was Alyssa with Embroidery Made Easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time.